Alright, sorry my GoPro shut off. So let me finish this video real quick for you guys. I'm sure you're tired of me rambling on here. Okay, so here's the fuse panel, right? And again, we've got this, come on now. We've got this space where the ECM / ignition fuse used to go. And we've got this side on the left that's still good. The side on the right's the pink wire with the black tracer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I got to try to do this one-handed, not blow anything up. So I'm going to take this $2.50 fuse holder and I'm going to plug it in right there, like that. And I got 12 volts, and then I'll put the pink and black wire on the other end of it, bring it up around and hook it to the other end of it. And basically I'm replacing the spade that's in there that's missing. So instead of my fuse being in here, it's right here. And it's still connected, so you know, if I ever have a problem, I can still check it real easily. It's not going to be a problem. So that's what you do to fix it. Now, like I said, I don't know if this has been a problem with anybody else or not, but I just spent 2 days of work and about $400 buying parts I didn't need. So now I have a spare ECM, I have a spare fuel pump, I think. I don't know if it's any good or not, but I think I have a spare fuel pump. I left a new fuel pump in there. I have a new fuel pump relay because I took the old one, I took the new one out and plugged the old one in because I knew that wasn't a problem. I'm probably going to take my ECM back out and put the old one in because I know that's not the problem. So I got a new ECM, I got a new fuel pump relay, I got a used oil pressure sending unit that is good, and I've got a used fuel pump that's probably good. So I got a bunch of extra parts that I don't need, but if I need them, I got them, right? So I mean, I guess sometimes you gotta look at the good even when it's not good. But anyhow, that was the problem I had. I hope that someone out there sees this that's having the same issue. You know, you could spend literally days tracing wires on these things and trying to figure it out. But if you go to the fuse box and you pull the fuses out one by one, and don't just look at the fuse and make sure it's good, look at the spades that the fuse plug into, because if they're burned up and the fuse doesn't make a good connection, then it's not going to run. So you need to remember that, keep that in mind, and hopefully that helps somebody down the road. I don't know, I hope it does. Let me see. So, okay. Hold on just a second. Alright. Okay, just to show you what I'm telling you is the truth, I'm going to cut. Here, turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright. Okay, I'm going to cut the terminal off the pink with the black tracer. I cut that off. I got to do this, try to do this one-handed. It's not going to be easy. I'm going to take it, I'm going to use my wire stripper, and I'm going to strip this wire back like that. All right, and then I got a nice clean wire there. That's a little bit too long. I'm going to cut some of it off. There we go. And I'm going to take and plug. Let's see if I can get, maybe I can hold this with my knees. There we go. I'm going to take it, I'm going to plug. Oh, come on, I got to get it to go. Plug this into my butt connector and crimp it. Make sure I got a good crimp on it. Make sure the wire's all the way in there before I crimp it. There we go. All right. Oh, dropped my camera, sorry. All right. There we go. That's crimped up nice. That's shoved down in there. Okay. So now, when I, oh boy, where's my, well, hold on. All right, let me get my $5 meter here, probably from Harbor Freight. I don't know. Okay, now when I let's see. Wasn't planning on doing this, but I want to show you guys. Now when I take my meter, I'm gonna lean this over here. If it's, well, I think it's good stuff. There we go. Okay. I take my meter here, turn it on, so you guys can see it. All right, I'm gonna turn the key on. You can hear the buzzer buzzing. All right, take my probe, go to ground over here, touch my fuse. Here, let me set this down. Try to put it where you guys can see it. There you go. Yeah, you can see it there. Touch my fuse. I got 12.8 volts. Touch it on this side. 12.8 volts. So I know my voltage is good now. Going to that fuse and going to my pink wire with the black tracer. All right. Now, hit the key. Uh-oh, I got something unplugged. What do I got unplugged? I got something turned off. Let's see. All right, hold on a second.